Always apply my Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum. Libre rin ba yung mga pilot student license at iba pang license? Hello everyone, I'm going to go out today because actually nagbe-beg si Casper na mag-walk sa mall. So we're gonna take him to the mall to walk. And of course, before we go out, I always apply my Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion. I always mention this in my previous vlogs because that's how much I love it. This lotion kasi, it really changed my lotion game. Like, not only did it give me like a radiant, dewy, glowing skin, but the best part about it for me is that it's non-sticky. Kaya it's a no-brainer for me to apply it every time I go out the house kasi hindi naman siya mahirap i-apply. Alam niyo yung pag nag-apply kayo ng skincare on your face, it doesn't feel uncomfy. That's how I feel with the Vaseline Gluta-Hya lotion. This is the variant that I'm currently using. This is the Pro Age Restore. It's best to use anti-aging products starting now in our early 20s. So I have been using this because it has collagen, and if you guys don't know, we lose collagen once we grow older, so that's why it's best if you use this starting now. So guys, if you want to try my favorite Vaseline Gluta-Hya lotion, I will link it down below, and also it's available on Shopee, Lazada, and Watson, so you guys can experience your hashtag Gluta-Hya glow up.
Casper is so happy! Lalabas ulit kami. Actually, kanina pa siya nagbe-beg. Pumupunta siya sa may stairs para makita niyo yung GD, which is our car. Tapos, titingin siya sa amin. Tapos tatalon siya. Tapos titingin siya dun sa car. So, ang iniisip namin gusto niya mag-walk. Kasi usually, pag nagwa-walk siya sa mall or kaya sa labas, hindi dito. Hindi ko pa siya nagwa-walk dito kasi medyo binabaha pa kami. But, yeah. Excited si Casper. Ayun na, excited siya, oh. Excited ka? Ayun na niya pa gusto yan, guys. Happy? Huh? Casper? Are you happy? Huh? Got myself frutas. This is like the Mango Graham version, and it's kind of pricey. I kind of wish I went with Coco na lang kasi mas malaking size for Coco na. But yeah, napunta ako sa frutas kasi feeling ko healthier. And it's actually so good, guys. Lasang totoong mango siya. Tapos parang hinaluan lang ng Graham and hindi super tamis. Alam niyo usually pag bumibili ka ng Mango Graham, matamis siya. This one, it's good. Kasi medyo pricey lang siya for this laki. Large na to. Sarap? Gusto pa niya. Ingit siya sa hotdog ni Rian. Gonna get coffee. Mao. Coffee. This is mine. This is a brown sugar latte. Sana masarap siya, guys. Good morning, everyone. It's another day of our vlog. I bought a coffee from Pickup Coffee. Kasama ko si Mama kanina, but I just dropped her off. Ang binili namin is a white mocha latte and a brown sugar latte. And actually, I wanted to try Pickup Coffee again kasi last time that I drank Pickup Coffee, medyo hindi masarap yung lasa. And I was really excited with their brand kasi it's affordable pero very accessible. Isipin nyo, ang endorser nila si Ann Curtis, so it must be good. But when I tried it, hindi masyadong masarap. But now that I tried it, masarap siya, guys. Masarap siya. And for ganun kalaki na coffee, diba guys? Parang ang affordable niya. I'm glad I gave Pickup Coffee another chance kasi masarap siya. Feeling ko hindi lang maganda yung timing ko last time, kaya hindi siya masarap. But anyways, we're just gonna have a very chill day today. I have Casper with me again. And yeah, we're just gonna have a very chill day. Of course, our bucket list lang talaga mostly is to eat at SNR. Yun lang talaga yung bucket list, which is to eat chicken bake roll. That's my craving. So yeah, let's see for the rest of the day. We're here in Walter Mart. Magla-lunch na kami here in SNR. Gusto sana namin sa main SNR, but hindi pwede si Casper.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this dark, broke shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more.
Marriages that were scheduled to happen not happen because the prenup discussion happened on it, or do you need to we gotta fix this right now?
We got the goods! My favorite at the moment is brown sugar latte, and na-try siya ni John, and nagustuhan niya. Yeah, yun yung in-order niya rin. Although, ang favorite niyang usual order is salted caramel and Spanish latte, pero kasi ang sarap na nito, nakakatakot nang mag-order ng iba. Alam mo yun, kasi ang sarap niya na. So, this one guys, ganito kalaki na pick-up coffee. 90 pesos! Wow! And to think na ganito kalaki on other cafes, 190 to 210 yung mga prices nila. Sobrang worth it. And kita mo na ano siya talaga, hindi siya instant coffee. Yung coffee talaga na grind. Ang sarap. Buti na lang, I tried it again. Kasi ang sarap niya guys. Ang sarap talaga. Try niyo yung pick-up coffee. I don't know why some people are hating on it, but I love it. And by the way, I'm wearing a lippy that my friend gave me. It's the lip dip from Sunny's Face. I mean, matagal na yun, but this is in the shade terracotta. And di ko pinaplan talaga. Or di ko in-expect na bagay siya sa akin. But look at that. Kala ko pang morena lang siya, but bagay siya sa akin. So, let's go. Alis na tayo. We're here in Jollibee para tingnan kung merong Beanie card. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Unboxing. Sana Maloy and Colette or Gwen. Hindi pa namin nakukuha yun.
Please. Sana ito.
Oh no! Parehas na ulit?
Oh.
We're here in Robinsons to watch Deadpool finally! I was thinking actually carry mo, but wala silang GCash, guys. Ang hirap pag walang GCash. Dapat lahat may GCash. About to go to the movies.
Coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something to do. Go outside.
Hello everyone! This part of the video is gonna be a Philska/Bisat frequently asked questions. First question that I saw is, Ate, di po ba libre ang tuition fee? May iba pa po bang kailangan bayaran? So, for Philska, it's 100% free tuition because it's under the government. It's a state college, that's why sagot siya ng government. And as for the other fees na babayaran mo, I feel like if you are not around Pasay, kailangan mo magstay around Pasay kasi syempre transportation, it's gonna be expensive. So kung magdo-dorm ka near the school, it's gonna be much better. So yun yung expenses ko nung nag-face-to-face ako. And also uniform, syempre bibili ka ng uniform from them. I'm not sure kung magkano yung uniform straight from Philska kasi I think yung sa akin pinatahi pamasahe namin siya. Other than that, wala namang miscellaneous fees. Other than, yun nga, transportation, dorm, uniform, your own school supplies. Totally free talaga siya, even the miscellaneous fees ng school. Hello po, after graduating grade 12, and then nag-stop muna ako ng 1 year, then pwede po ba mag-apply sa PhilSCA after 1 year? Yes, you can. Pwede naman mag-apply kahit nag-stop ka for 1 year, hindi naman nila tinitingnan yan. Ang tinitingnan nila is yung grades mo, ano yung GWA mo, and of course, yung exam results mo from PhilSCA. Ate, if sa PhilSCA ka mag-aaral, libre rin ba yung mga pilot student license at iba pang license for pilot? So, this is the main question talaga na tinatanong ng mga sangkatauhan, charot. But if you apply for my course, which is yung BSAT or Bachelor of Science in Air Transportation, that's the only course that will get you free pilot licenses, including PPL or Private Pilot License, CPL, Commercial Pilot License, ME, which is Multi-Engine Rating, and IR, which is Instrument Rating. So, yun yung mga makukuha mong free licenses from PhilSCA within the BSAT course. So, kung kukunin mo yung ibang course like Air Engineering, Aircraft Maintenance, hindi po siya included doon, only in BSAT. Ate, kapag ba entrance exam, pupunta ba mismo sa school yon? Yes, pupunta po kayo sa mismong school for the entrance exam like normal. So, if you wanna apply sa PhilSCA, you really have to sacrifice. If galing ka pang Visayas o Mindanao, kailangan mo talaga pumunta sa PhilSCA to apply and to take the exam. Sa mga nagtatanong naman ng dorm around PhilSCA, make sure to search Barangay 183. So, Barangay 183, it's the nearest barangay. It's the nearest talaga. Doon kayo bibili ng mga groceries nyo and ang daming dorm doon and kainan. And yeah, yun yung nearest sa Newport, which is the mall. Another question here is yung aeronautical engineering po ay ano po ang difference niya sa BSAT. So again, BSAT is Bachelor of Science in Air Transportation. And aero engineering is air engineering. So engineer ka ng airplanes, ng aircraft, but with air transportation, you're transporting by air. So anong meaning nun? It means, in simple terms, it's becoming a pilot. So air transportation if you want to be a pilot, and then aeronautical engineering if you want to be an engineer of an aircraft. So pwede pa rin namang maging piloto, guys, kahit anong course mo. Madaming nagtatanong yan. So kahit pa nag-nursing ka, kahit pa nag-fine arts ka nung college, pwede kang maging piloto, guys. So if gusto mo lang ng mas mabilis na option or parang gusto mo talaga maging pilot and at the same time gusto mo ng libreng flying, go for BSAT ng PhilSCA. Hi po, totoo po ba na may binabayaran daw po around 1 million sa PhilSCA pag magpapalipad na po ng plane? Like magre-rent daw po ng plane para po sa flight training. In general, it's true na you are gonna pay a lot of money for flight training. But in PhilSCA, if you take BSAT course, it's totally free, guys. The only downside is currently, I'm supposed to be graduating this year. But unfortunately, medyo nade-delay talaga ang mga BSAT students because we are asking a lot of money from the government. Which means, there is also a lot of process na ina-undergo yung money na yon bago siya ma-release. So, currently, naghihintay pa kami for release to flight training. So, ang iniisip ko na lang talaga, it's better to wait than to waste like 3 to 5 million on flight training when I can get a scholarship from the government, diba? Isipin nyo, 40 plus students kami in a section and ang budget sa amin each is around 3 to 5 million. Imagine guys, ilang million yun for one section of flight training or of BSAT, diba? So it's a lot of money to be released from the government. That's why it's coming from a very long process. May exam reviewer po ba sa entrance exam sa PhilSCA? I have the video here ng mga reviewers. So I think meron pa rin siya sa description box. If it's not working, guys, search na lang kayo ng similar to that, like aptitude test, abstract reasoning, algebra, ganyan. Tingnan nyo lang doon sa video ko kung ano yung mga in-indicate ko na parts ng test nung nag-exam ako, and search that on Google and pwede nyo lagyan ang PDF na word or reviewer na word, and then merong mga lalabas doon na mga reviewer. Go back to that video, search yung mga sinabi kong mga included sa exam. Other question is, ask ko lang po if ever na hindi makapasa sa entrance exam sa BSAT, sa PhilSCA, pwede pa din po ba kumuha ng ibang course na under pa din ng PhilSCA or hindi na pwede? I think if it's still the same process with us, you are asked to give 2 options sa course na kukunin mo, which is, for me, ang pinili ko is BSAT and Bachelor of Science in aeronautical engineering. So, yun yung 2 options ko. So, if ever na hindi ka makapasa sa first option mo, which is BSAT, mapupunta ka naman sa aero engineering na second choice mo if pasok ka rin doon. Hi po, pwede po ba ako maging pilot if my strand is UMS? Yes guys, kahit anong strand, meron akong mga kaklase na UMS yung strand nila, meron akong kaklase ng ABM, and nakapasok sila sa BSAT. And if you're gonna ask them in general, yes, as I said kanina, a nursing student, a fine arts student can also be a pilot. So, yun lang, hindi mo kailangan necessarily na mag-aral ng air transportation to become a pilot. Anyone can be a pilot, guys. As long as mapapasa mo yung health standards nila and yung mga exams nila, you can be a pilot. And lastly, hello po, pwede po ba cycle sa entrance exam? Please answer. I think bawal ang cycle. Ang pwede lang is pencil and I think mga ball pens. I think bawal ang cycle. And don't worry guys, kasi yung mga algebra naman or yung mga math doon is for sure you can solve it with a paper or with your mind, ganyan. So, don't worry, hindi ganun ka-complicated yung math sa entrance exam. Yung mga math na nakalagay doon is the math na kailangan alam mo talaga with your life. That's why it's called parang mathematical reasoning, is because it tests yung mga math skills mo na magagamit mo talaga in real life. So don't worry guys if hindi kayo makakadala ng cycle. So that is it for our few BSAT frequently asked questions. If meron pa kayong questions, leave them down below and na-answer ko yan. But now, yun pa lang yung mga nakikita kong questions na medyo mas hindi ko nasagot, I think, or kailangan ng clearance from my past video. So comment lang kayo down below and I will answer you guys. And if hindi ko kayo na-answer sa mga videos ko guys, minsan hindi ko rin alam yung sagot. Like for example, may mga nagtatanong sa akin kung kailan daw yung next entrance exam. Guys, hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako parte ng organization ng PhilScore. Hindi ako parte ng registrar or whatever. That's why I don't know kung kailan yung next entrance exam. Malalaman ko lang siya guys. The same time na malalaman niyo rin kung kailan yung entrance exam, which is pag-posted siya sa official PhilSca pages. So, ilalagay ko na lang ulit sa description box yung mga official PhilSca pages. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked this video and my few recent vlogs. I hope you guys can watch it and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!